Hi everybody, and today we'll be showing you how to view the uploaded fees in the ERP. So once you've uploaded the fees in the fee upload database, in this fee upload report into the ERP, you head on to the fee upload report page. Now in the fee upload report page, you will have the following columns: registration number, student name, upload date, invoice number, description, due date, and then the according columns that you've added onto the ERP from the CSV. Here you can filter by student registration number or by student name or even by the upload date or the invoice number. For example, we have uploaded a sample student data of ARM01. So for this student, we've uploaded two different invoices for the same on the same day with two different due dates and different values across the column. Now, point to note, these columns are editable. So in case, let us say in this example, for Jess invoice 002, we have uploaded 1000 dirhams for the trip deposit. But later on, we've come to the conclusion that, oh, this was an error or we need to change this value. You just have to double click on this field and change the value to 500 and click on it. Once you get this pop-up message, know that it is immediately updated straight to the app and in the ERP as well. Here is an example. So if you see for ARM01, there you go. You can see that the trip deposit fees has been paid already, but the bus fees in invoice just 001 is 1000 dirhams. Now, here we can edit the value to 500, and once it's been updated and the parent opens the app, clicks on the student, you can see that it has immediately been updated in live, in real time to the app as well.